Alright, welcome back. Today I'm going to show a short video on how to do a TPMS relearn, or essentially writing the IDs of your TPMS sensors to the vehicle. So this is the OBDII TS508. The Wi-Fi version is more common now, but they're basically the same tool. The only difference being is that the Wi-Fi tool allows you to update the tools, firmware and vehicles via Wi-Fi. It has nothing to do with reading sensors or writing sensors to the vehicle, but pay attention to the 508 versus 408. The 408 doesn't have the OBD connection, so you can't do any of the writing to the vehicle or reading IDs from a vehicle. You can only do reading sensors or programming sensors. So anyway, I'll get started here. It's really quick. It takes a few minutes. So we are going to do there's two menu options for this, but the advanced one I picked in the middle there, it gives you the actual instructions how to do it, as well as steps you through it. Sometimes the basic menu, the one that was over here, just gives you the instructions and doesn't actually step you through that. So this is a 2017 315 sensors, and we'll go to position relearn, OBDII Relearn. Sorry for the jittery camera. I don't need to read the instructions, but it's all there. Start with the front passenger wheel. Walk over. I've turned the beep off on this, so you're not going to hear a beep every time I touch a key, but it will beep when it reads the sensor, like that. Shows the pressure. It's actually a little low. You can see how quick it is to read when they're working. That's 2. That one's a little low too. Step sheet shows you which tire to read, in what order. That's 4. Now it says to connect the OBD to the ignition and turn it on. We'll do that. OBD is down over here. Hop in. Ignition on, so it says push button, foot's not on the brake. You gotta press it twice. The dash isn't lit up. Okay. Continue. Communicating with the vehicle. Sometimes the light will go on in the dash after you do this, and you just need to drive so it can read the sensors. Usually less than 10 minutes. Yeah, see there, it just lit up. But it will tell you if it's read, written it successfully. So it says it's writing. Write ID successful. Proceed with the following steps. Okay. So essentially the steps after you've written it. Okay. Are to turn the vehicle off, turn it back on, and then drive it. So I'll turn it off. You see it's flashing. So it takes a little drive. So the other nice thing that you can do with this is you can check and see what's in the OBD. So before I do that, let's disconnect this. I'll go for a little drive. I'll show you how quick it is. Sometimes I only have to go a block or two here. Just 1 second. To be able to see. I'm gonna get the wheel speed up over 20 kilometers an hour. See, it's gone solid, which is probably now going to tell me there's low pressure, which is why I think it's not blinking anymore. I was at 26 psi on one of those, so tool will actually let you clear that too.